Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I actually bought a MacBook Pro. We are gonna unbox this together. Let's see. Here looks like this. It says MacBook. I got this because I wanted to make more YouTube video and for me to be able to edit. I heard a lot of things about MacBook that you can edit really well with this thing once you understand how to use them. So I am trying to study. I was really gonna rip this apart with a knife, but there's this thing that makes you peel it off easier. So and inside it looks like this. It has like a little to push out the product and get yourself. And inside, designed by Apple in California. And of course there's gonna be a charger. And there's gonna be the USB cable. I don't know if you guys know, but a long time ago when you get any electronic products, they always tell you to not use it right away. You have to charge it all the way to use or get the battery dead and recharge it so the battery life is longer. But I feel like that's all myth now. Now the technology has advanced a lot. Yeah, so, oh shit, okay. Alright, so how it looks like. I got the new MacBook Pro. This is the new design. It's not same as old design. It got more thicker and it got more square. Yeah. You know, like it has some narrow ends for the previous MacBook. Yeah, I got 14-inch with the M1 Pro chip inside. I saw some reviews on YouTube. I did my research and this was better for me to edit videos because I was thinking about MacBook Air, but it is good for like overall browsing and stuff like that, but it's not that powerful if you compare it to MacBook Pro. If you open it, there's a cover and you're gonna take this off. How the fuck do I take this off? What the heck? Take it off. Okay, guys, I got it. If you look inside, the keyboard looks a little bit different. Before, in between the keyboards were silver, but now everything seems like it's all one color. And we're gonna set our MacBook together. Okay? Okay, here's Korean, but I will leave it as English just because now I work more with English. Select your country or region. I live in United States, so United States and press continue. Accessibility, not now. Select your Wi-Fi. Okay, so right now I am at my friend's house, Garlic's house. I literally forgot his Wi-Fi. Are you sure you don't want to set a Wi-Fi? No, because I do not know the password. Data and privacy. Migration assistant. Okay, this is my first MacBook, guys, so do you want to transfer your information? I'll press not now because I do not have any device to transfer from. Okay, Mac OS software license agreement and hardware warranty. I have read and agreed to the Mac OS software license agreement. Yes, man, I agree, dog. Okay, full name. What should we name this? JangE? JJangE? Account name. Name of your home folder. Adjust to JangE. And password. I'll turn off my camera just a little bit. Privacy.
6 hours later.
Okay, I've done it, but I forgot to change the profile picture. I should have some zebra on my profile picture, so can you see? Enable location services. Yes. Just in case if someone steals this, right? If someone steals it, I need to know where the person is running away with my MacBook. Siri, the Siri is like even useful because I never use Siri on my phone. It's like, hello Siri, what's the weather today? I'm not gonna enable Siri. Oh, now there's Touch ID. What the hell, man? Wow. There's Touch ID, guys. It's pretty cool. I actually want iPhone to have the Touch ID because I feel like Touch ID was more useful than Face ID, in my opinion. You might disagree with me, but for me, I like the Touch ID way better because it was easier. Choose your look, light or dark. I know a lot of people say if you use light mode, you're crazy, so I'll go with dark. Yeah, I used to be a light mode user. Yeah, I once posted on my Instagram story and a lot of people were like, you cannot use light mode! And I was like, fine. But I went back to light mode on my phone, sadly. I was too used to the light mode. For a lot of iPhone long time ago, it was all the light mode. There was no dark modes. Alright, so we have set up our Mac. Yeah, this is just like a basic setup. Right now we don't have the Wi-Fi, so this is the best I can do right now. Now when I go home, I will set rest of the settings on this MacBook, the Apple ID and everything. I always just used my phone to edit, and I kind of wanted to invest more just because I want to make sure that my contents are more high quality, not just edit it on my phone. Yeah, so that was like a basic review and unboxing of MacBook Pro. It's not new. I think it's been a year since this design came out. I hope you guys enjoyed my purpose of purchasing this MacBook. Also go check out my previous videos. I have done some vlogs here and there. One in Korea and one in Vegas and one in McAllen, Texas when I went to go meet and greet. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys next time.